Hello students, I am Srinivas, lecturer in physics in Narayana Educational Institutions, Hyderabad. Now let us see some questions of 23rd January 2026 shift 1, which are based on memory. First let us see this question. There are 2 point charges, one at vertex and the other at face as shown in the cube. Find the electric flux through the cube. So here flux due to this charge 2q at the corner is 1 by 8th of q by epsilon naught. That is 2q by epsilon naught. 1 by 8th of 2q by epsilon naught, because flux through the cube due to the charge 2q at the corner is 2q by epsilon naught. That is total flux through the closed Gaussian surface formed with 8 such identical cubes. So flux through that cube is 1 by 8th of 2q by epsilon naught. This is nothing but q by 4 epsilon naught. Next, flux due to this charge q through the cube is half of the flux through the closed surface formed by keeping another cube besides this. So flux due to this charge q is half of q by epsilon naught. So total flux through the cube is sum of these two fluxes, that is q by 4 epsilon naught plus q by 2 epsilon naught. So that is equal to 3q by 4 epsilon naught. This is the total flux through the cube. That is, third option is correct.
Share this with your friends and on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to the Narayana Group for daily solutions and complete JEE updates.